morning guys, welcome to my channel Rider Nada Moto Diaries. Today is day 18 and right now we are in Chandigarh. Due to some reason, yesterday we couldn't leave early, so we drove till 1 a.m. in the night and we reached Chandigarh. Today our plan is to reach Ajmer and hopefully we will reach Ajmer today. So let's see, let's start the ride, let's ride.
Day 18. The return ride had actually begun yesterday, and this part of the journey is the most boring part of the ride. You have to keep riding and nothing else. No exploration, just keep counting the kilometers. As the day passes, the amount of enjoyment and the number of photos goes down, and today's ride was to cover as many as kilometers possible. The temperature was high and we were sweating again. By the time we started the ride, the two riders who left behind yesterday had started early in the morning and covered more than 100 kilometers by now. So we hope that by the end of the day we will halt at the same hotel. The roads were too good, and from now on only highways and not much traffic, just keep riding. Had some tea and continued our ride. We were zipping past each other for another 2 to 3 hours. After some time I saw Minish, who was on his CBR 250 standing by the roadside, so I halted, and seeing me, Prasad also halted. Thinking he had taken a break, so we were few meters away from Minish. He called us to come closer. When we went closer, we were shocked to see that one of his saddlebag was burnt. Upon inquiring, he said he had the rain covers on the saddlebag, which might have come in contact with the silencer. Though he had saddle stay, it somehow caught fire. He said many people indicated something on the way, but he didn't understand, so he took it lightly. Whatever he had inside the bag was burnt. The other side bag was safe, and thank God nothing happened to him as well. He said we have seen videos of such thing happening with others, and today it happened to me. Then we tied up the remaining bag on the rear seat with bungee cords and we left from there. We halted at a dhaba where Prasad went ahead. So myself and Minish had a good lunch with a Punjabi style lassi and sat there for some time. We then started the ride and entered the Western Periphery Highway, which seemed more like a runway. Prasad, who went ahead, entered some 2-lane road. The highway which we took was so awesome as there were no vehicles and it was a huge one. So I and Minish were not less than triple digits on our speedometer. Once we had to exit from this highway after crossing miles on this road, we went ahead, continued the ride, and then stopped for a tea. and when we were about to leave, Prasad joined us. Also, the remaining two riders who were still riding since morning were on their way. Our plan was to reach Ajmer, if not possible, Jaipur. We continued as we had more distance to cover and kept riding. We stopped at a roadside stall for a break. During this time, a duster came close and stopped, and there were three guys in it who were totally drunk. They started praising us for our ride, and one of them got out and started shaking my hand. Initially thought they might create some problem as they were drunk, but they left. We also left in some time. We then stopped at a toll where we met a person who was from Jaipur, and he started insisting us to stay at their home for night. We discussed among us, but I personally didn't feel good as his family was also there, what they will feel about us. So had a small chat with him and said two of our riders are also coming. We then left after some time. We called those two riders. They said, let us halt at Jaipur as Ajmer is still far and we have been riding since morning. So we decided to stop somewhere near the outskirts of Jaipur, close to the highway. We checked into a hotel. In some time, the remaining two riders also came. They had covered somewhere close to 800 kilometers for the day, and we covered some 500 kilometers. By the end, we all came at a place, had a good dinner, then went off to sleep.